This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Excel tips and tricks video, I will be teaching what is a screen tip and how to use it and how to use or how to create a customized screen tip in Excel. Screen tips are actually a small window that display the description of the commands what we hover or say select. For example, if I move my cursor here, you can see that I can see some descriptions here like this. So these are actually screen tips. In this, we have something called as enhanced screen tips or just the screen tips, a normal screen tip. We can also hide or unhide these screen tips, which is available on the screen. So I'll be teaching you how we can enable, disable, or just have only the commands screen tip or the enhanced screen tips. And also we'll see how we can create customized screen tips. But before that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn or if you want to get trained on any of our courses with very less affordable price, please do contact us. We will give you the link to download all your offline videos of the courses what we conduct, and you can learn by yourself without using internet. Now let's learn what is a screen tip, how to enable or disable these screen tips, and then we'll see how we can create customized screen tips. First, we understood about the screen tips, that is, they are nothing but the informations which actually display when we move our cursor on the command buttons here like this. Let's go to this file, options, and here in general, we have an option that is screen tip style. You can see it says show feature descriptions in screen tips. If this option is enabled, that means it will give me the complete feature description. This is called as enhanced screen tips, where we can also get more information. Say, for example, if I move my cursor in any of these cursors in any of the buttons here, you can see that we have this tell me more. If you click on this, I'll get more information. Or you can see that it will give us some brief description of the command, what we're actually trying to click or say we want to use it. Move to any command, we'll get a brief description of that command. So this will help us in understanding the commands what you are actually trying to use it. Next is just a normal screen tip, that is, do not show feature descriptions in screen tips. When I select this and say okay, if I move my cursor, I won't get any explanation there. It'll just give me the title kind of say screen tip just about that button, or say the command button what we move. It'll just give me just the label of it. So this is just a normal screen tip. Now sometimes what will happen is you might not see the screen tips at all. That is because your screen tip style will be enabled as don't show screen tips. So if this option is selected, if you move the cursor, you cannot see the screen tips. But don't panic if you're not able to see the screen tip. Some people actually feel that there is something wrong. Don't worry, just go to this file, options, and select show feature descriptions in screen tip. If it is selected as don't show screen tips. If you select this show feature descriptions, it is actually very useful because we get some information, some brief information about the command or say the options what we're trying to use. Right, this is about the screen tips which is available by default. Now let's see how we can use or say how we can create the customized screen tips. I have a cell here. Let me just select here. I'll go to this insert and here I have this link. Let's click on this link and I'll give a link to any of the website, or let's say I'll give a link within this workbook itself. Say OK. When I click on OK, there is a link which is created in this cell. If you move my cursor, you can see that it is giving some screen tip here. But I'm not happy with the screen tip because the information it is just giving some link which is actually confusing. But I want to customize this. So how to customize this? Let's select this cell and we'll click on this link and say insert link. Here we have one option that is screen tip. Let's click on this. I will type something here. Let's say C8012 and we'll say order IDs. Say OK. Now, if I click on OK, now if I move my cursor, you can see that I'll get whatever I've typed in that screen tip text box will be displayed here on the screen. We can apply the screen tip for the shapes as well. Let's take a shape. We can also right click and give the link like what we mentioned here. So here I'm trying to show you both the options. One is by insert. If you select this, if you go to this insert and say link, here also we can give the link, or you can just select a shape or say a cell, a right click, and here we have this link. If you click on this link, again we can give a link here. Let's give the link within the workbook itself. I'll try to give a link to this sheet. And here I have the screen tip. Now I'll not give any screen tip here. I'll just say OK. If I move my cursor, you can see that it is giving some screen tip. By default, it will give me the link, say the path of the workbook and also the sheet name or something like that. If you think that is not actually appropriate or it's not explainable, what we can do is right click on the shape or on the cell, edit link, and give the screen tip. I will say screen tip details. I'm just giving some text here and I'll say OK. Now if I move my cursor, you can see that I'm getting that text what I had mentioned in the screen tip text box. You can directly give the screen tip while giving the link as well. Just to explain you, I just gave one link and then after that I gave edit link and I gave the screen tip. Otherwise, you can directly give the screen tip as well while giving the link. So this is what I wanted to teach you about the screen tip in this video. Again, if you think that you want to order the offline videos, please do contact us. We'll give you the link. You can download your copy with very affordable price. I hope this video was useful. If you think that this video was useful, please do share with your friends. And if you like this video, please give a like for this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This will encourage us to create more videos like this. And if you have more tips or more information on this, how to create or say how to use this screen tips, please do mention in our comment box. I can also learn something new from you guys who actually post the information on screen tips in my comment box. And also people who are watching this video can also learn something new. Keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.